Hello and welcome. We're here at Gainsborough at the Step Back in Time event. This multi-period reenactment event with a range of activities, reenactment camps, food stands and traders, where on Sunday morning people gathered to pay their respects to our much loved Queen Elizabeth II, who sadly passed away. The Mayor and Mayoress of Gainsborough attended the service before then going on to read the proclamation of declaration to our new King, King Charles III, later in the day. Those on parade included serving and veterans from all three branches of the armed services. Reenactors include those from the Axis forces, regiments from both the First and Second World Wars, a contingent from Burma campaign, along with Romans and the 24th Foot 2nd Warwickshire Regiment, who took part in Rorke's Drift, made famous by the film Zulu, along with a number of American outfits. It was a really moving event, paying respect to the late Queen Elizabeth II and remembering all those who made the ultimate sacrifice in the service of their country. As you have seen from the outpouring of grief and affection for the Queen, people felt that they needed to pay their respects in their own way in this time of national mourning. The minute silence impeccably followed, and like myself, there was one or two tears shed during this time, when one remembers what a wonderful person and monarch the country has lost, and that there will never be one like her ever again.
Remove headdress. 3 loyal cheers for His Majesty King Charles III. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Parade will replace headdress. Replace! Headdress. And that. Take!
I just wanted to end by thanking everyone who turned up and to the organiser of the event and the Mayor and Mayoress of Gainsborough for making this a truly memorable service.